Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and backups so the installation won't fail mid-process. Use the PC health check to confirm TPM2, 0, secure boot, and minimum RAM and disk space. Once done, create a full backup to an external drive or cloud. This protects your data if you need to roll back. Make sure Windows 10 is fully updated and plug the laptop into power. Then download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant to begin the upgrade procedure. You launch the Windows 11 Installation Assistant and run it as administrator so permissions aren't blocked. Select whether to keep personal files and apps or perform a clean install. Keeping files preserves settings, but a clean install gives a fresh system. The installer will download files, verify integrity, and prepare the system. This can take time depending on your connection and storage speed. Once the files are ready, the PC will restart several times while Windows migrates drivers and settings. You finish by completing the out-of-box experience. Choose region, sign in with a Microsoft account or local account, and set privacy options. After you reach the desktop, run Windows Update and update device drivers. OEM update tools often resolve compatibility quirks. If the upgrade fails, make sure Secure Boot and TPM are enabled, then run DISM and SFC to repair system files, or recreate installation media on a USB and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.